Ross. Welcome to Flooring Show 2021 here in Harrogate. Walking through the aisles, I've noticed that one thing in particular about your stand is really standing out, and it is the LED lights on the stairway. So obviously that begs the question of, are you getting any interest in this? And what is it about the LED on the stairway that is actually drawing people to your stand?
Two main features. One, yes, it's got the wow factor, it catches the eye, but there's a simplicity. It's a simple plug and play system. What we've done, we've thought about the fitter. The fitter doesn't want complicated. They want to turn up, carry out their normal procedure, and just leave it for the electrician to come along at the end and pop in that little bit of wiring. That's it. It's simple, easy to use. And that's why we thought we'd bring it to Harrogate.